Introducing an automated messaging tool for potential customers on Instagram. You can scan all customers following any brand. Next, let's move on to the automated Instagram messaging software. First, we need to scan for potential customers who are following brands within the same niche. Copy the link of that Instagram account, paste it into the scanning software, and save it. You can use the link of any Instagram account. Then, select the Instagram account and click Start. Alright, we now have a lot of potential customers here. Let's copy them and move on to the automated messaging section. Paste the users here and save them, configure the settings a bit, and choose the content you want to send. Select the accounts you want to use for sending messages to customers and click Start. The software will automatically log into those Instagram accounts and send messages to the customer users you added. Follow the accounts as they operate like real users. Contact me on Telegram or Whatsapp for consultation and support in testing the software. Goodbye and see you again.